Hi guys, so welcome sa Main Road CC. Guess what? It's since 2021. What can you say about your mom's birthday today?
I love you, Mom. You're the best because your happy birthday today. I love you, Mom.
Diri na ang most awaited part sa birthday mga koys, ang kaon o syempre ang super duper rice. Walo po kaon diri mga koys, kailang sisig, ilang bihon o syempre ang ilang chapsuy. Okay ne, kaon na! Where are you?
I am bored. We're in the Starbucks. We're ordering some yummy desserts because my family is upstairs and there's even stairs in there. So the order is right here. It's so good. Guys, the order is so good. Guys, you remember that this is a lot of orders in here. So, bye guys!
Hi Sal, happy birthday to me. Celebrating my birthday here sa Starbucks.
Syempre pag umagkaon, dessert dayon ta diri sa Starbucks. Pakapinan dayon og marites. Ug dili mawala ang picture taking with the dessert. Grabe nga ni mother, oy! Dire na, nag-picture taking na ang celebrant ug ang uban, padayon lang gihapon sa pagkamarites. Pag humagmarites, nagsharon kuneta na ang mga madi.